Okay, guys, so market has closed now. Okay, so I wanted to talk about something because the markets are really trending. Okay, so since Christmas, okay, past year until now, well, the markets have never been the same. Okay, so I think it's a good opportunity for you to learn to add to the position. Okay, so there's a lot of traders that own Marker Plus. Okay, so Marker Plus is an indicator that can, or the same bloodhound. Okay, so the shark indicators, bloodhound, is these indicators are automated. Okay, but what happens with those indicators, guys? What happens with those uh, strategies? That sometimes they enter a trade in the wrong position. Okay, because why? Because sometimes we don't have the capability to code a strategy the correct way, or we need too many conditions, or a coding is very complicated. So if you're trading, you know where to enter a trade because you own the software, the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. Okay, so if you own Marker Plus, okay, so why would you not use it to add to the position? Okay, so the majority of you traders leave a lot of money on the table. So I will not encourage anybody to be a scalper, okay, a true scalper. Okay, so if you're gonna trade, this is for trading small. Okay, so that way you can get a, for example, you can trade the micro ES or the micro NQ. But I think it's gonna work better on the ES or MES. Okay, so for example, this is a great trade. See, this is textbook trade right here. Okay, so we see the market. We see, what do we see first? Two ATRs up. Okay, what does the trading plan says? Okay, first look the two ATRs. That's what the trading plan says. It doesn't tell you trade when you see one red and you see one green. No, no. That is not a trending market. Okay, so you will get caught. Remember, this is a herd mentality. We all think the same. Even the bots, they think the same. That's why you see all these runs when the two ATRs are together, because this is when the market really starts to push because they already see the logic. And you see why this the market comes to the ATR and reverses. You see this all day long, all day long. Okay, so what happens here? You can say, okay, I based on the pace of the tape or the time and sales, okay, I will go long here. Okay, I will go long here. And what if you would like to go long or add into a position, but you don't do it because you feel afraid? Okay, what if the Marker Plus helps you, on not thinking, because when traders think is when you fail. Okay, so for example, I trade 3 contracts. Okay, so uh, adding more contracts with these volatile markets, it's very complicated. So let's say you have a small account, a 50K account in with major prop firms like Earn to Trade or whatever, Apex Trader Funding, whatever company. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna buy here. Okay, you buy here, you hold the position, and you say Marker Plus. When I see a visual imbalance, open a trade. Okay, but or a breakout box. Okay, because I think the best part of entering more position is when the market congests and breaks out, because they are already congested over here. So there was a lot of buying and selling in this area. So the market says, okay, we are done here. We're gonna continue. Okay, so if you see a breakout box to the downside, maybe the market breaks to the downside. It's gonna be an S. But if you put the filters just to go long, if the ATR is green, okay, so if it's a sell, it will not sell, okay. If it's a buy, it will add another trade, okay. Remember, you're long from here, okay, and you can get those extra ticks, okay, with 2 contracts, and you already have a cushion here, okay. So you imagine 2 contracts long, and well, you hold a position, okay. But what if you say, okay, I don't want the box, I want a correlation dot, okay. You can do the correlation dot, okay. So if you're long from here and you see a dot, a correlation dot, it will open a trade for you. It will add another contract, or 2 contracts, or 3 contracts,
Brick
or
setup.
whatever you are trading, okay, how many lots you're trading. It doesn't care about if it's micro or whatever, okay. So that way, Marker Plus will not open a trade for you, okay. Even if it's gonna wait for you, the trader, to open a trade. Once you open a trade and you code Marker Plus to make a trade with the visual imbalance, with the breakout box, or with the dot of the Bidaskmultimarket correlation, okay. Those 3 signals, you can select the signals that you want to be another contract added here, okay. So what I am telling you this, guys, because I saw a lot of people fail because they're trying to scalp the market, and with these big runs that the market is doing, I don't think it's a good idea to be scalping little amounts of money. So uh, I think this indicator will be a good one, and I'm using it right now, and it's working very, very well. Well, in the Nasdaq, it's very complicated because it's too wild. But in the ES, it can be a very good indicator. Okay, the cost is $150. Okay, if you want to buy the indicator, I will leave the link in the description of this video for you to go purchase directly. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to tell you. The day was very good today, and follow the plan, guys. That's the main thing. Okay, that's the main thing. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested, I will leave like I said, the link in the description of this video, including the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. Thanks for watching, guys.